Okay, so I got the very first of the prototype, what I'm going to call the Fatbelly Skinners. Got it kind of roughed in. It's not perfect how I would normally finish one because I plan on abusing this. So I got a bunch of stuff lined up. I'm going to do 2x4 chop, paper slice, all that good stuff or whatever. I'm going to beat it into probably a piece of sheet metal or something like that or whatever, and then I'm going to see if it'll still slice paper. So it's the humidity out here. So it's, what I missed. Okay. I need some dry paper, but let's abuse it. Oh, it's got pieces of the sheet metal stuck to it. I'm trying to cut myself. I was like, how has it got rust on the blade already? It's... That's weird. I don't know what else I can beat it into. But yeah. This is going to be the well, this is the prototype, but this is going to be a batch of these. They're super comfortable in the hand. It's right at a 4-inch blade, a little bit of belly on it. It's got a pinch grip. The back of it's shaped where you can hold it in a lot of different ways. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some in wood, some in different kinds of resin and stuff like that. So give me some feedback, kind of handle material y'all think or whatever, or if you want one, let me know. I got 4 of them right now I'm working on. Probably not gonna sell this one. This is the very first one. It's got some mistakes and stuff in it or whatever because I was just working on the profile, but it's a good little knife.